Good morning everyone. Today's focus is on subtracting whole numbers by jumping back on a number line. I'm going to show you two quick handy ways of using this strategy to solve the same problem. Method 1 of solving the problem 156 minus 45 using our number line is as follows. Our starting point is 156. First of all, I'm going to subtract or jump back by the tens first. And this is where our two methods of the same strategy differ. I'm going to take off my tens in 10 at a time. So my first jump will be 146. 136, so each time I'm just taking off or subtracting 10. 126, there's another 10 that I've taken off, and my final 10, so altogether I will have taken off 40. So there's all my 10s have been subtracted, and then I'm going to take off or subtract my 5 ones. 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and minus 1. So once I've taken off my 5 ones, I end up with the answer of 111. Okay, so there's my solution. But there is a second method that I want to show you also, which may find greater favour with you or may not. Okay, so our information is the same. We still have our 156 as our starting point. And the difference with this method is that we're, instead of taking off 10 at a time until we've taken off our 40, we're actually going to take off the 40 in one big jump. Okay, and that's going to see us at 116. Just as it did here when we took them off in bite-sized chunks of 10. Now, instead of taking off 1 5 times, I'm simply going to take off my 5. And just as it did before, we end up with an answer of 111. So two slightly different versions of the strategy of subtracting whole numbers by jumping back on a number line.